잘 지냈어요 모두 보고 싶어서 이동 어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going
I will explain a few steps to solve this equation. We need to use product rule. First, we need to differentiate both of these equations. For this equation, bracket 4x plus 10 to the power of 5, we differentiate using chain rule. Let this equation be u and this equation be v. To differentiate this equation, u prime equals to 5 bracket 4x plus 10 to the power of 4 times 4. We multiply it and it becomes 20 bracket 4x plus 10 to the power of 4. So b prime is 1 over 4x plus 1 times 4 over 4x plus 1. For the final step, we will use product rule. We sub in all of this into this. We sub in this equation to this. And this is the final answer.
Okay, so the question is y equal to cos 3x minus 2 over exponent 2x minus 5. So we can use for question rule. Okay, for the term of u, we decide for the cos, and then for the term of v, we decide use for the exponent. Okay, we write the u here, cos 3x minus 2, and then v, exponent power of 2x minus 5. Okay, next for the u prime, the cos will become negative signs, and then the derivative of the inside is 3. So we need to multiply 3, so it becomes negative 3 sines 3x minus 2. And then for the b prime, the exponent will be the derivative of this power, so it becomes 2. So the 2 will be multiplied to the exponent, so it becomes 2 exponent 2x minus 5. Okay, so next, so we divide the x, so we put the value over here into the formula, like this. So it becomes this. And then, before we simplify, we need to move out the 2 over here of the 2 exponent power of 2x minus 5, that becomes 2 over here. Okay. So next, before we simplify the exponent of this, so we need to factorize. So it becomes e power of 2x minus 5 at the bottom, and e to x over 5 at the down there. And then we can simplify after we factorize it. So the over here will become 1. So we got the answer.
I'm going to explain how to solve question 2, which is basic differentiation. Question is 10x cubed minus 4x y squared equal to 1 over exponent y plus 5 ln 3x minus 1. Okay, to solve this equation, first we need to divide it into 4 parts. For the first part, dy over dx, here we substitute this into here, then it's equal to 30x squared. Next, we're going to part 2, d over dx, 4x sin y squared. To differentiate this part, we need to use product rule. U equal to 4x, u prime equal to 4, b equal to sin y squared, b prime equal to cos y squared times 2y dy over dx. Next, here is u b prime plus v u prime, which is the product rule formula. For x, get cos y squared times 2y dy dx plus sin y squared equal to 4x 2y cos y squared dy dx plus sin y squared times 4 equal to 8x y cos y squared dy dx plus 4 sin y squared. We're going to the part 3 over here. D over dx 1 over exponent power of y equal to exponent negative y times negative 1 equal to negative exponent power of negative y dx. Part 4, d over dx 5 ln 3x minus 1 equal to 5 times 1 over 3x minus 1 then times 3 equal to 15 over 3x minus 1. Next, come to here. We just substitute all of them based on their part. 30x squared then negative 8xy cos y squared dy dx plus 4 sin y squared equal to negative exponent to power of negative y dy dx plus 15 over 3x negative 1. Then we just need to solve it. 30x squared negative 8x y cos y squared dy dx minus 4 sin y squared equal to negative exponent power of negative y dy dx plus 15 over 3x minus 1. Next, 30x squared minus 4 sin y squared minus 15 over 3x minus 1 equal to 8xy cos y squared dy dx minus exponent power of negative y dy dx. Next, 30x squared minus 4 sin y squared minus 15 3x minus 1 equal to dy over dx bracket 8xy cos y squared minus exponent power of negative y. Come to the last part. Dy over dx equal to 30x squared minus 4 sin y squared minus 15 over 3x minus 1 over 8xy cos y squared minus exponent power of negative y, which is our final answer.
Explain question number 3. For question number 3, we need to use linear approximation to find the value of this equation. Before we create a function for this equation, we need to let 80.44 to become variable x. So this is how the function looks like. From this function, we differentiate it. So before we differentiate it, we change the square root to become power. From 2 over square root x, we change it into 2 over x to the power of 1 over 2. And from 4 square root x, we change it into x to the power of 1 over 4. So after we remove the square root, before we differentiate it, we also need to bring the x go up. Here we differentiate it until it becomes negative x to the power of negative 3 over 2 plus 1 over 4 x to the power of negative 3 over 4. We go find the x naught. So x naught is the nearest number of the x value. 80.44 is near to the 80. We go find change in x. So change in x, we need to minus x naught with the x. So 80.44 minus 80 equals to 0.44. So this one is the change in x. After we find value of x naught and also change in x, we sum in value of x naught into the function. So after we sum in the value of x naught, answer 3.214. And then we go sum in the x naught into the first derivative function. So we sum in the x naught into the equation, we got 0.008. So after we found all of this answer, we apply this formula, sum in the answer into this formula. For f x naught, we sum in 3.214. For f prime x, sum in 0.008. And for change of x, sum in 0.44.